Manoj Rathod, start now with your self introduction and about the topic. Ajay Pal Yadav.
Good evening, my friends. I feel honored to introduce myself in front of you. My name is Ajay Pal Yadav. I belong to district Alwar, Rajasthan. I have completed my intermediate since 2021 with PCM. Right now, I am pursuing graduation from RR College, Alwar, with mathematics. My hobbies is playing cricket, reading newspaper, and do gardening. Today is our group discussion topic for rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting means the proper uses of rainwater in a very well manner, which can be used for irrigation in agriculture and using water for drinking and also to giving water to plants. So that is the rainwater harvesting. And rainwater harvesting is mainly prevent in right now in Rajasthan areas because there is sometimes the drought situation always happened that area. But right now in our countries needed more to rainwater work on the rainwater harvesting. So government is trying time to time provide a proper information about the rainwater harvesting like from Jal Shakti Abhiyan and Atal Bhujal Yojana, which is working for the rainwater harvesting. Thank you.
Now, next candidate, Nishu Yadav.
Uh, Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Nishu Yadav. I am from Alwar, Rajasthan. My qualification is I completed my intermediate from Career Vision Senior Secondary School, Alwar, and now I am pursuing graduation from RR College, Alwar. My hobbies are playing cricket and yoga practice. I want to join Indian Air Force to serve my nation. Now about the topic. Now we all know that our today's GD topic is rainwater harvesting. As we all know that the meaning of rainwater harvesting means to conserve the water of rain. It like there are the many methods to conserve the water of rain. Like we can conserve the water of rain on the we can conserve the water on roof and park and roads and many things we can do to conserve the water. And it's also important for us because in this time we all know that temperature of the earth is increasing day by day due to the gases and all these things. And they are the best example to rainwater harvesting. We should do rainwater harvesting. The best example we know that in Rajasthan area, Bikaner and Badmer, we all know that the land is sinking. So it means like we are using the water, we are taking water from the earth, the depth of earth. So if we are using the water of rain, so it can be beneficial for us. Thank you, sir.
Now, next candidate, Sagar Kumar. Sagar Kumar.
Jain sir and my dear friends, my name is Sagar Kumar. I am from Samli Uttar Pradesh. I passed class 12th from UP board. There are 5 members in my family. My father is a farmer. My mother is a homemaker. My hobby is playing cricket. My strong point is that I am hardworking. I want to join Gurud Commando through Indian Air Force because it is one of the best special force in India. I would like to speak on this topic. My topic rainwater of harvesting means collect the water of rain. We can use for agriculture and we can save we can save water. Uh, we can save water like dam and other place ponds. We can avoid scarcity of water. Uh, Scarcity of water and we use for personal use water life. The government many scheme launch like Jal Jeevan Mission and Atal uh, Bhujal Yojana. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Next candidate, Akash Thakur. Akash Thakur. Next, Sumit Yadav.
respected sir and my dear friends, I am Sumit Yadav. I am from Balia, Uttar Pradesh, which is famous for Mangal Pandey and Chitu Pandey. I have completed my class 12th with PCM from EP board in 2023. My hobbies playing cricket, doing yoga, and walking morning daily. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives me discipline and adventure of life. Thank you, friends. That's all about me. Now, friends, I am coming to our my G topic. My G topic is rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting means in India, many of the people save waters and use in farming sectors. And India is a high population country, so many of the people use this water can use in and can survive our waters and our government many of the schemes launch like Jal Mission Shakti and many of the schemes. These schemes helpful for our farmers and water is essential for our country because without water rainwater in on earth plants animals and human beings is not live on earth, so which is good for our country and this helpful for our life because many times in daily times water waste day by day, so which is not good for our country. Thank you.
Next, Irshad.
Dear friends and respected sir, first all of very good afternoon, sir. Sir, my name is Irsad. I belong to Sultanpur, located in UP. Sir, I have completed my higher secondary with PCM from UP board. Sir, my hobbies are playing cricket, listening music, and reading books. That's all about me. Dear friends, we are here to discuss on the topic rainwater harvesting. Dear friends, rainwater harvesting means collect the water. Dear friends, when we harvesting rainwater, then it will use for the animals and humans, and it increase the level of the water. And dear friends, rainwater harvesting is a process which is which is very helpful for agriculture, and farmers uh, can be used this water to farming their agriculture.
Next, Alok Kumar. Alok Kumar.
सॉरी सर, अभी मैं थोड़ा बाहर हूँ तो मैं केवल सुन नहीं सकता हूँ सर।
ओके, तो देखिए अभी जो अपना सेशन हुआ आपका सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन एंड अबाउट द टॉपिक के साथ में, उसके बिहार पे में दो कैंडिडेट हैं। एक तो लास्ट इरशाद अहमद। आप जब भी अननोन टॉपिक आ रहा है और आपका अबाउट द टॉपिक तैयार नहीं है या आपका तैयार भी है, तो आप अपना जो सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन है उसको कम से कम 25 to 30 सेकेंड तक लेके जाइए, क्योंकि वहां पर आपको 1 मिनट का टाइम दिया जाता है बोलने के लिए। तो अगर आप अबाउट द टॉपिक के अंदर टाइम कंज्यूम नहीं कर पा रहे हैं ज्यादा, तो आप अपने सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन के अंदर 25 से 30 सेकेंड कंज्यूम कीजिए, ताकि आपको कम बोलना पड़े। ओके, और एक थोड़ा सा अपना जो टॉपिक है अबाउट द टॉपिक, उसको 2 या 3 पॉइंट प्रिपेयर कर लीजिए, उसके अंदर आपके 25 to 30 सेकेंड हो जाते हैं। ओके, तो इसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा ध्यान दीजिए। थोड़ी सी अपनी पॉइंट तैयार करने की जो स्पीड है उसको आप इंक्रीज कीजिए। ओके,
यस सर।
ओके, नेक्स्ट मैं बताना चाहूंगा सागर कुमार आपको एक तो अपने सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन के ऊपर और आपको अपने अबाउट द टॉपिक दोनों के ऊपर ध्यान देने की जरूरत है। दूसरे दोस्तों का जैसे आपने सुना है उसी तरीके से अपना भी जो है उसको तैयार करने की कोशिश कीजिए, और मैं इसकी रिकॉर्डिंग जो है वो डाल दूंगा, तो आप उसको सुन लेना कि आप कैसा बोल रहे हैं और आपके दोस्त कैसा बोल रहे हैं, तो उसके अंदर डिफरेंस करके अपने अंदर इंप्रूवमेंट लाने की आपको जरूरत है। ओके, बाकी के कैंडिडेट्स का सभी का सही है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। ओके, अभी हम अपना जो डिस्कशन पार्ट है उसको स्टार्ट करते हैं। कोई भी कैंडिडेट फिश मार्केट की कंडीशन नहीं बनाएगा, और जब कोई कैंडिडेट बोल रहा है तो सभी का जो माइक है वो म्यूट होना चाहिए। ओके, 1 by 1 करके आप लोग अपना डिस्कशन करेंगे। आपके पास सफिशिएंट टाइम है, जितनी देर आप टाइम लेना चाहते हैं उतना टाइम आपको दिया जाएगा, तो एक दूसरे को डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना है। 1 by 1 करके कीजिए, और जो कैंडिडेट नहीं बोल रहे हैं वो अपने दोस्तों को प्रॉपर सुनते रहिए। और कल से कोशिश कीजिए कि आप इस टाइम पे, मुझे पता है कि दोपहर का समय है, सभी को नींद आ रही होगी आप लोगों को। अगर मैं आपके लिए टाइम निकाल रहा हूं दोपहर के अंदर, तो उसी तरीके से आप भी दोपहर के अंदर टाइम निकालिए। ओके,
यस
तो
सर।
अभी हम अपना डिस्कशन स्टार्ट करते हैं, और आज का जो अपना टॉपिक है इसको इनिशिएट करेंगे सुमित यादव। स्टार्ट सुमित यादव डिस्कशन।
For giving this golden opportunity. Our topic is water, rainwater crisis. What rainwater harvesting? India is a high population country, so rainwater has some more advantage for our country, because in village area, peoples and gram panchayat and pradhans can save and make pond, and peoples can store these waters, and can spread business level, like fishes save and can spread business. So this is good for our country, and friends, this is, and our government many of the scheme launch, like Jal Mission Shakti. This Jal Mission Shakti theme for the 2024 Nari se Jal Shakti. So many of the women participate, and can conversations of waters, and rainwaters used for our harvesting times, and we know, as we know that friends, and as you know that friends, water can useful for our human lives, because without water cannot live in earth. Thank you.
Gentlemen, water is a very useful for every human being, and right now in our country, the water problem is become a major problem because of due to the too much using of the groundwater and river waters. That is become a major problem. That it is water is a sufficient. Water is like a limitations in our country, but
Dear friends, I am totally agree with you, but there is a lot of water shortage in many areas. So this water they can use for drinking and many other activities. And also the rainwater is uh, is good for agriculture, because the farmers can use this water to farming their agriculture.
also
Yes,
water can
gentlemen.
be rainwater can be used for the drinking purpose because it's a natural purified water which is gaining by our sky.
Yes,
I'm
gentlemen,
agree
I
with
am
your
agree with
point.
you. Uh,
I'm agree with your point, and I want to explain. I want to add some points also. As you said that rainwater is the best. I mean, it's a pure water for drinking also, so it can be useful for the drinking. You know that if first time rain is coming, then after the if like first, second, third time you can use that water for the drinking. It's a pure water for, because it is new natural water, and other way we can use it water for the agriculture, and to wash the clothes, and many more works you can use this water. And the main thing is that how can you are harvesting that water. So there are like many options you have, like you can harvest this water on the roof, and you can make the ponds in the surface of the earth. Thank you.
yes, gentlemen, I am agree with you. We can store the waters in future, and uh, farming, uh, like ponds, and it etc.
Okay,
The
okay,
shortage
friends,
of
I'm
water,
agree with you.
the
So I'm
shortage
agree with
of
you, but add some new points. Some new points. Water, rainwater harvesting is play important role in our lives, and it is a part of our life. So as you know that friends, India 32 lakh 87,263 square unit area. So high broadly, and 90% waters are used in farming sectors. And we know that friends, every day, but every day peoples and women can travel by train, buses, and every vehicles. So many times water peoples destroy throw waters on road, and and road is, so which is not good for our country, because every time say we can save our water. And in Rajasthan area, water crisis is a big problem for our country, because with water crisis day by day increase. So our government restrict action on our peoples, and we peoples throw on road and every and waste every sectors. Thank you.
In our parts of our country, there is a real situation is that there's too much water crisis. Even there is no water for the drinking in proper way. Like in Western Rajasthan, there is too much scarcity of water. So that's why we have to learn from how they are doing water harvesting. From a past time in Rajasthan area, there is a too much johats and kunds, so which is mainly the purpose when they were made in past time. The main purpose of it that to harvest to collect the rainwater and using it in a proper way from with the ear. So that means that if our ancestors know about it, that how to harvest the rainwater, then right now it is also our responsibility that to harvest the rainwater, which is really useful for us.
So
Dear
I'm
friends,
agree with your
I am
points
totally agree
that
with
in
you, but
past time, when we talk about the past time, when our ancestors they know that how can we use this water and how can we store the rainwater. So they make the, like as you said, that they make the jar and the ponds, all these things to store that water, and they can use that water in the agriculture and many things they can use that water. But in my point of view, like other way we can understand that in this time what happening, like we are using the water which is coming from the ground of the earth. So it means we are using that water in more quantity. So the many times you listen that this land is sinking in that area, and land in sinking in those areas. So many areas they affected by the land. So we can understand that if we are using the rainwater, if we are harvesting rainwater, so it can be beneficial for us, for the land also.
dear friends, I am totally agree with you. But the harvesting the rainwater, we can increase the level of water, and in future, we will not face on the problem of water. And in many times, animals wandered in search of waters. So they drink the water and live in easily.
Also see
Time what
right
happening
now that after a 1 month we will be find that the rain happened, and after the rain there is too much water will be spreading in our surrounding area, but it is just a wasting of the water and it is going towards in fields, our fields, and we are not harvesting it. So harvesting in, we can make a tank with our own self for our home, so that we can storage our water, and after time to time we can use it in a proper way like drinking and the irrigation purpose as well.
The scarcity of water is a main problem in India, but 70% water all over the world. So people misuse the water like wash the car, bicycle, etc. We should use proper proper water use.
Yes, yes, my dear friends,
yes they are like
thought, but I would like to mention one more point. Friends, we all know that in all Earth, 70% water in present, but only 0.99% we can use and fresh water present. So this is the main reason for the water crisis, and uh, we 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 uh, we every year celebrate Water Day on the 22 March. Thank you.
So I'm agree with as we all know that the after the 1 month when the rain will come, that time the many people they are wasting the water, rainwater, because the water is going through the our house in many areas of our, in the side of our house. So we can store that water, the water is coming from the roof through the pipes, so we can store that water in like ponds and other things. We can store that water in tanks. After then we can use it in vegetables if we are growing the plants. So we can do well works by the rainwater.
Friends, I'm totally agree with you. As we know that friends, in recently time, some of the country due to rainwaters destroy our many of the destroy houses and our business, like USA and in Rajasthan area. So face many problems due to waters, and many of the women go long distance, then take water and can drink. So we can take care of our government on in Rajasthan area. And as you know that friends, some of the rainwaters can disease our women body. Thank you.
I
Sometimes
totally agree with
rain
my
happen.
I totally agree with my former speaker. I would like to summarize. I would like to discuss about the water harvesting. As you see in present time, deforestation increasing rapidly. The main cause of wastage rainwater. But our government should start Gramin Awas Yojana. The main cause of this scheme. Government give poor person a package. So create their building and include the hose, create a rainwater harvesting. So it is a best step to save water. Thank you.
Agree to him. The for the collecting a rainwater harvesting, though we need to a huge tank at every home, but it is a cost if too much cost effective, and people don't have this type of knowledge. So that's why rainwater harvesting is a cost effective. So government should be provide them to a subsidy, so they make a kund at their home, and also knowledge the peoples and expertise them, and also insightful them, so that they can aggressive towards to making a water tanks.
I'm agree with your point that government should provide the knowledge to how can we use the how can we harvest the rainwater. So in my opinion, like they can make the pond in earth on the earth surface. So there is no need the cost very cost like it is not very costly, because that we can make the a small pond in the side of our house. So it can become the beneficial.
Okay, friends, I may agree with you as we know new points, and some of the state like Punjab and UP in summer times our crops can destroy the part of crops. So I think rainwater can use stubble burning stubble burning time, because stubble burning increase pollution, then use water use and these mixes in soil, then fertilizes our soil, and can day to day increase our gains. And friends, some of the rainwaters can increase pollution, like water pollutions, and in cities area road is not proper. So water is can storage on road, and many of the peoples and women can face a problem. Thank you.
Yes, my dear friend,
I
I
am totally
appreciate
agree
your
with
thought,
you.
but I
Rainwater
would like to
harvesting is one
mention
of
one
the
more point
simplest
for
and
sir.
oldest method
Friends,
of the
in my
self-supply of
opinion, water crisis is mostly man-made, because water pollution is the major issue, because many of the industry dumps waste into river and lakes to hide waste from the industries, but that become a major problem of the water pollution. Uh, so that's why water pollution is the main cause of the water crisis. Thank you.
Yes, gentlemen, I am agree with you. Farmer or
One more
can
point in our
also use water the farming. The government launch many scheme like Jal Jeevan Mission, means Jal save the water. But many industry factory also misuse the water. One verse is very famous. Water is a life, and water is a part of our life. So we can save it.
Dear friends, I am totally agree with you. Rainwater harvesting is one of the simplest and oldest method of self-supply of waters for households, having been used in South Asia and other country. and improve the scarcity of water. Our governments launch many schemes like Jal Jeevan Mission, National Water Policy, Jal Shakti Abhiyan, Atal Bhujal Yojana. Thank you.
So I'm agree with your
Agreed.
point, and I want to add some points. Like we all know that rainwater harvesting is important because we are facing many like scarcity of water, and rainwater is an economical way to save water and prevent rainwater wastage. You know that many times what happen, we are purchasing the tanks of water, but if we are like if we are using that cost to harvest the rainwater, then it can come in the best usage. Then after we not purchase the tanks of water from.
Agree to him. The rainwater is considered as the best water resources in our world, because rainwater is that which can be coming in a way, which can be a free, and but to collect it can be a money taking. That's why peoples are escaping to harvesting a rainwater. But in right now, in we are living in modern area, so that is become our responsibility also, that to using rainwater in a proper way. Otherwise, we will face this type of situation which is likely in going on in Rajasthan.
Former speaker, so fans as well know that
One more
water
point, and what we need that rainwater has many advantages, like it is easily accessible and renewable source of water, and rainwater harvesting reduce urban flooding, and it is a very cost effective way to saving water of our earth. But there are some disadvantages of rainwater harvesting, because it is good for that area where the rains properly, but it is not good for the dry and moist areas.
Yes, friend, I would like to say some things. Mostly country are facing many problems for water and save rainwater, and deforestation are the main reason, because the rain is very low. To save our rainwater, to save our life. This is my personal opinion. Would you like to say something, dear friend?
agree with my former speaker. So fans as well know that water is very important part of every life. So many of the people waste water in the daily life. So it is a very bad impact in our society, and it is also obstructor of the development of the country. So our government take strict action against it. So I would conclude. I would like to say it is our responsibility to save our water and also everyone's life.
Adding to some point of her point of view, it is also saying that the Third World War will be happen due to the water. Water is that thing which is become. I am audible?
Yes, friend.
Yes. So the Third World War will be happen due to the water. It is surely saying by the some of the person, because right now even in our country some state are also fighting for the getting of water, river water. So that is it can be a major future problem in our country if we not rainwater using a rainwater harvesting proper way, like Haryana, Punjab, SYL dispute, Kaveri dispute between Tamil Nadu and Kerala, Karnataka. So that is situation is going on in all our country. So it means that it also losing our integrity on the basis of due to the water resources.
Yes, gentlemen,
Yes,
I am
Yes,
agree with
friend,
you.
I would like to say something here. Excuse me, dear friend, let me finish my point, then you carry on. Rainwater harvesting is one of the simplest and oldest method of self-supply of water, and we save up the rainwater and save our lives. And we know that almost many people are very careless for rainwater. We are very wastage. And would you like to say something, dear friend?
Yes, I'm agree with
Friends,
your
okay, friends, I'm
point,
agree
because
with your thoughts.
it can be become the region of conflict, because we all know that the many times what happened Punjab and Haryana, they are conflict on the canals, because they are making the canals from Haryana, like Punjab to Haryana, because they want to take the advantage of water. But we all know that in this time rainwater harvesting is the simple and cost effective, and can resolve our water crisis to great extent. So we know that it can be solve the problem to it can be solve the problem for the water in our country, not only in our country but also in the all over the world. So we should use it.
Yes,
Friends, I'm
gentlemen.
going
In
to
my
thought add some
opinion,
new points.
rainwater.
Rainwater is useful for plants because many of the nutrients available in rainwaters. And as we know, friends, rainwaters can store in dams like Hirakund Bad, Vakanandal Bad, so and can make it make electricity can produce electricity and spared for our state different states, so which is good for our country.
So friends, I
In
am
my
totally
opinion,
some point in our group discussion.
rainwater of harvesting is very good for many country state like Rajasthan, UP, Delhi. So we should use people properly and not misuse the water. So water problem is not facing in future.
Yes,
Dear
friend, I
friends,
would
I
like to
am
say
totally
something
agree
here.
with you.
Excuse me, dear
We
friend, let me
know
place
that
my point. Then you
we
carry
can
on.
destroy the water. We can destroy the water, but we do not do such because in many times we can collect the water and increase the fertility rate of soils.
Okay, friends, I am totally
We are
agree
both
with some point in our group.
rainwater
Yes, friend, I would
harvesting.
like to say something here.
Okay, friends, we know that the rainwater harvesting system is one of the best method to support the conservation of water. We know that in our today's life, the good quality of water has become a significant cause of concern. We know that rainwater, which is pure and of good quality, can be used for washing, cleaning, and cooking, and also for other requirements. We know that rainwater harvesting is one of the simplest and oldest method to self supply of water for household, having been used in South Asia and other countries for many thousands of years. Thank you.
Want one more point in our GD. Many people lack of awareness about the benefits and the proper implementation of rainwater harvesting. Without education and camps, communities may not realize the potential of rainwater harvesting or how to it work effectively or not. So, if our government should want to promote the water harvesting, so our government should start camps and many other schemes to promote the awareness of the villages peoples and many other types.
Yes,
Another
friend,
point
I
I want
agree
to add
with
is
you.
that
Excuse me, dear friend,
source
let me
of
place my point. Then you carry on. Friends, rainwater
yeah.
harvesting is a technique for collecting and store rainwater for future use. And friends, as we know that the roof harvesting is the one of the most method for use for store rainwater and we use for future. And friends, surface roof of harvesting the method involves collecting water for the runs of the surface like roads, parks, garden, and directing it into large store tank. This is my personal opinion. Would you like to say something, dear friend?
Dear friends, I am totally agree with
I'm
you.
agree with your point, and I
Harvesting
want
the
to add
rainwater,
some
we
facts
can
also,
generate
like a source of
electricity.
water.
Dear friends, I am totally agree with you. Harvesting the rainwater, we can generate electricity, and which is very helpful for our country, and it reduce our cost.
Yeah, I'm agree with your point, and I want to add some facts also, like source of water has been groundwater across the country. Per capita availability of the water is also reducing day by day in the urbanization. So we must control wastage of water and conserve in every possible ways. Like we can conserve the water from rainwater harvesting. Many like we have the many options to harvest that water. So we must we do that.
Yes, rainwater is very important for our future because right now in our country the groundwater level is decreasing day by day, and rainwater is only a one type of water which can prevent to reduce the groundwater level in our countries. Like in some urban areas, Chennai, Jaipur, and Bengaluru, there is a too much water crisis is happening right now because of they are not using due to urbanization. They are not using the rainwater harvesting. They are just using the groundwater, and that is that has decreased, that has stopped. So that problem, it will be coming also in other cities. So we have to stop it. So we have to stop it. We have to use rainwater harvesting.
We are using in more quantity of groundwater, then level of groundwater will decrease, and it's also happening in India. Like as you mentioned that in the some of cities of India like Jaipur and urban cities like Chennai and Bangalore, they are facing the many a problem in the like taking of the water. So we can say that if there have not a proper proper management to conserve the water of rain and conserve the water of other things also, so if they are implementing these type of things, then they can harvest the rainwater and other things also.
In my opinion, rainwater of harvesting is the best method of store water for agriculture. It is cost effective method. We can use the store in agriculture, and it is increasing the water level on the earth.
Okay, friends, I am totally
want
agree
to
with
one
you.
more point in our,
Group
but I
discussion.
want to add one more. But I want to one more point in our GD that, as my foreign speaker has mentioned, that water harvesting is very good. So I want to add one more point in our GD that it reduces the soil erosion and surface water, and the rainwater fill the surface with many types of minerals, and the rainwater is also full of chemical dissolved salts and free from all minerals. The most disadvantage of the rainwater harvesting is that it is not permanent. It is only a type of seasonal harvesting.
Okay, friends, I am totally agree with you and add some point in our group discussion. We know that harvesting rainwater means less use of on the municipal water supplies, especially in the like in watering garden or washing car. So this can decrease the pressure on fresh water resource and treatment of infrastructure. We know that India experience sometimes monsoonal rains, so it is heavy rainfall followed by the dry season. So harvesting rainwater during the monsoon help bridge the gap during dry periods and water scarcity. And we know that India faces severe groundwater crisis due to over extraction, and rainwater harvesting refills underground water, improving water security and sustainability. Thank you.
Yes, friend, I would like to say something here. The rainwater quality is very good. Rainwater is generally free of harm, free of chemicals, and can be used for drinking, cooking, washing, cleaning, bathing, and other living store needs. Would you like to say something, dear friend?
Yes, my dear friend, I totally agree with you, but I would like to mention one more point. Friends, rainwater recharged to ground positively affect groundwater and quality by the deleting the fluoride, nitrates, and its salinity, and it contains the almost natural pH and zero hardness, which makes it more able to use homes and industry and other uh, commercial sector. Thank you.
In my opinion, rainwater of harvesting use many works like making the food and wash the cloth and farming. But many industries misuse the water. So increase the many disease problem in water.
Dear friends, I am totally agree with you. With the harvesting, with the help of harvesting the rainwater, we can do business like fish farms, and that increase our income. So this is the very helpful for human.
Also, one more beneficial for the rainwater is that it can be used in the irrigation like drip irrigation. In drip irrigation, there is a little amount of water is needed in drip irrigation, and which can be fulfilled by the rainwater harvesting if we collect rainwater via tank in our fields.
Yes, friend, the rural
I
area.
totally
Yes,
agree
friends,
with you.
extreme
I
development. Let
would
me
like
finish my
to
point.
mention one more point in
Friends,
our
the rural
discussion.
areas face
Friends,
many problems due to water scarcity.
Tamil
Those
Nadu,
people
first
problems
state
can be solved if
where the
they use the process of
rainwater
rainwater.
first time stored and government allow and in my opinion, water crisis more. Not only India but also whole world. So our government and the world in the world world together should take some prevent step to control it. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon to all of you. Yes, I'm agree with you. The rainwater harvesting is a major problem, major source of water, freshwater resource in storage. If we have to want to store the water and also reduce the groundwater uses, so we have to collect the rainwater to harvest the grain, or we can use as further daily household works like clothing, washing clothes, bathing, use in toilets, etc. This can reduce the water uses capacity of.
Dear friends, at the last we can say that in India, rainwater harvesting is essential for a sustainable water future. And by saving resources and protecting the environment, it helps tackle water scarcity.
Also, the rainwater harvesting is considered as a sustainable development of the society because it's one major part of our life. If we can use it in a proper way, then it will be a sustainable development for us.
Then friends, at last I would like to say that rainwater harvesting is very beneficial in future, and we can store it.
Yes, you are right.
Okay, friend, I agree with my former
This is
speaker.
also this is
I'm
also
totally
a
agree with
rainwater
you, but I
harvesting.
want to add some points in that we seem that the acid rain is cause the main problem of this rainwater harvesting because we seem that nowadays the acid rain is the big problem for water and harvesting system and it cannot be drink directly. We should clear the water and we should apply other things to this water to direct consume this water. Otherwise it will can only use in harvesting and only in farming.
So as rainwater harvesting applies in the areas where where ground level water is too low, if people store their water or by when the rain starts and collect in a tank, this can also reduce the water scarcity, also reducing the water wastage because we collect water, so we limited the water uses. This can also help the poor areas where water is not also transported. This can reduce the water scarcity and and apply water.
Agree with your point, and I would like to say that in this time we are facing many challenges to scarcity of water. So we should use the rainwater in the sustainable development. It also increase the sustainable development, and we can say that in this time you many times you boast that the many roads and they are sinking in the ground because we are more using the groundwater. So it can also decrease the dependency of groundwater. So it means we can use this rainwater in the many works also.
Yes, I agree with you because
So
in the
one more point
rainwater
in our read that
we have to have two
rainwater
means we can
rainwater
easily we can easily store rainwater by our roofs. That there is no need to be make the big areas for the rainwater harvesting. We can easily collect the rainwater by our roofs in the tanks, but we should do not consume directly this water because it have many bacterial infection danger at extras.
On to one more point in our theory that rainwater harvesting is one of the simplest and the oldest method of self-supply of water for household, and it was mainly used in South Asia and other countries for many thousands of years. It is the method which was also used in our Indian during Indus Valley civilization, but it has become essential for our country because our country's many states and union territories are facing the problems of water crisis, and the Karnataka is the first state which is mostly facing the problem of water crisis in our country.